Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to copy and paste Excel data to Microsoft Word without table. So let's get started. So we have our table here which has data input in it already. So to copy, let's select the entire table and press Ctrl C to copy. Let's go to the Word document and press Ctrl V to paste. So this data is in table format and I'll tell you why. If I put my cursor here and try to delete, you can see that my cursor cannot move any further. So this tells you that this is a separate cell. This is also a separate cell, okay? And also if I try to move my cursor on this side, you can clearly see that there are borders. So this tells you these are rows. If I move my cursor on the top side, you can see the borders as well, okay? And this tells you that these are columns. Another way of identifying, you can put your cursor here and right click and you can see these options, delete table. So this tells you that this is a table. So let me show you how you can copy and paste your data without the table. So let's go back to Excel, okay? And again, let's select the entire table and copy. Let's go to the Word document and right where you want to paste your data, right click your mouse and under paste options, you will see this icon labeled A, okay? Keep text only and click on it. So you can clearly see there's a difference between this data and this data. This data is in table format and this one is not in table format. So if I try to delete, you can see I can delete all the way to the left. And also if I try to input a text, you can clearly see that I can type all the way to the right, okay? So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, share, and see you in our next video. Bye.